In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video in Higgsfield AI. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Higgsfield AI website. If you're not already signed in, log in so your projects and history are available. Once the home page loads, look for the main navigation bar and choose the video section. This is where Higgsfield keeps your video tools and your previous generations, so it's the best place to manage and extend what you've already made. On the video page, locate your history. You should see thumbnails or a list of your recent clips. Find the video you want to continue. Picking the right starting clip matters because the extension will follow its style, motion, and framing. Next to that clip, click the three dots to open more options, then choose Reuse. Reuse is essentially a shortcut that loads the original settings so you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. It's perfect for seamless extensions, remixes, or small tweaks. You'll now see a prompt field. Here, describe exactly how you want the story to continue. Mention the subject, the direction of motion, any new actions, the pacing, and how you want the camera to behave, like pushing in slowly, panning left, or holding steady. Clear prompts give the model stronger guidance, and consistency with your original clip helps avoid abrupt changes. Below the prompt, select a model. Different models can prioritize realism, stylization, or speed. If you're unsure, start with the recommended option. You can always try another model later using the same settings. Set your duration and quality next. Duration controls how much extra footage you'll get, and quality affects detail and sharpness. Higher quality usually takes longer to render, so balance it with your deadline. Matching the original clip's look is generally best, but feel free to nudge quality up if you notice softness in the prior output. When everything looks good, click Generate. Rendering times vary based on model, quality, and duration, so give it a moment. You can keep an eye on progress from the video section. When it finishes, play the result and confirm the extension flows naturally from the original. If something feels off, adjust your prompt. Often a small clarification about motion, lighting, or timing makes a big difference, and generate again. That's all you need to extend a video in Higgsfield AI. For best continuity, keep character, location, and lighting descriptions consistent with the original. Short, specific directions tend to yield the smoothest extensions.